Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today, let's dive into the Yunzii QL108 retro typewriter keyboard. This is a perfect blend of vintage and style and modern functionality. The QL108 features a charming typewriter-inspired design with unique electroplated round keycaps and a sturdy metal shell. This full-size mechanical keyboard includes 104 keys, complete with dedicated numpad, making it ideal for both work and gaming. It's got shine-through keycaps that ensure clear visibility in low-light conditions while maintaining that retro aesthetic. The solid metal frame provides excellent stability, enhancing your typewriting experience. Light up your workspace with vibrant RGB lighting, or you can turn them off. It's got south-facing RGB, comes with multiple dynamic modes, adding a fun touch to your work setup. Plus, the wired Type-C connection ensures durability, stability, and you don't have to worry about charging it. The QL108 is fully hot-swappable, allowing you to easily switch out switches, whether you prefer 3 or 5 pin. It also features pre-loop switches for smooth, satisfying typing experience. This keyboard is plug and play, compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It supports programmable keys and macros through the advanced customization software. The ergonomic design adds adjustable footrest for comfortable typing with silicone padding. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines retro charm with modern tech, the Yunzii QL108 is definitely worth checking out. I left you a big discount code in my caption.